Welcome back. It's activity day. We're back in the kitchen. We've got our aprons on, and we're making popcorn. Yes, I want our activity today to be little trays to hold popcorn. Okay? Now, some of you have actually done stuff like this, right? Just take normal sheets of paper, cut out the corners, and make some trays for popcorn. Okay? So, I had these full of popcorn just as an illustration. All right? Now, the actual activity is in the mailer I sent you. Okay? The assignment is called nested boxes. All right? You take the mailer, third page back, actually discusses how to make these trays mathematically. Cut a little bit out of the corner. This was a 1/2 inch. It's popping. Cut a little bit out of the corner. 1 inch. 1.5 inch. 2 inch. 2.5 inch. And a 3 inch corner. That's what I did here. We have all these different shapes. Okay? Do you think they hold the same amount of volume? Remember when we got the COVID-19, we were just finishing up volume in our classroom. The idea of length times width times height. X times X times X. If it was a cube, X to the 3rd power. That's why we did exponents last week. This week, we learned to factor things, break it apart, okay? When we take this sheet of paper, now I want you to actually create these trays. Snip, 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 snip. Once you snip them, you can bend, 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 bend. Okay? Now you can cut the whole corner out if you want. That's what I did on these. Or you can just cut it halfway. Makes it a little stronger when you fold it together. A little stronger when you fold it together. Looks like our popcorn's just about done. Okay? We'll tape these up. Now, I want this to be an enjoyable experience. Just make some trays. But the trays you make, don't lose them. Because on the very last day, this is our assignment. To do the math behind volume. As you pour popcorn into these, do you think that each one holds the same amount of popcorn? Do some hold more popcorn than others? Which one of these holds the most popcorn, do you think? Okay? Oh, yeah, we're just about done here. Let it cool off just a little bit. Whew. Okay, so we've got a volume. Length times width times height. Okay? As you pour the popcorn in, think about which one is going to hold the most popcorn, in your opinion. When we go to the movie theater, they sell you a box of popcorn. Do you think this is the most efficient way? Would this hold the most? How about the low flat one, 1/2 inch? Do you think that holds the most? So that's the actual math piece, but we're going to do that on the last day. Remember 12, 12, 20. We have 12 classes for 12 days, right? All right, 12 lessons. The very last one, this assignment. But for now, just have some fun. Eat some popcorn, right? But keep in the back of your mind, is the volume the same for each one? That's the end of activity day today. Hopefully you have a good Sunday. I'm going to see you tomorrow on day 5, the St. Louis Arch. Have you ever been to the St. Louis Arch? I posted a couple of videos for you to watch and see, wow, the St. Louis Arch. There's this elevator ride that's arched. How big is the St. Louis Arch? When you come to class tomorrow, we're actually going to create the St. Louis Arch on graph paper and create the equation that models that shape, parabolic in nature, and it's very accurate to 1 inch. Hopefully you built an arch, like I built that toilet paper roll arch. We're going to calculate the equation for that one also. But until then, have a great activity day. Bye-bye.